Hello friends, welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. In this video, you all know about Booklist and the study material of different exams, which is conducted by Railway Recruitment Board for RRB Group D, RRB NTPC, RRB JE, RRB LP Technician, RPF Constable, and RPF Sub Inspector. In railway exams, questions were asked from three sections: mathematics, reasoning, and general awareness. General awareness is further subdivided into three categories: current affair, general science, and general knowledge. For current affair, वीडियो ऑप्शन में प्रकाश सर ऑन सरकारी जॉब न्यूज यूट्यूब चैनल. सेकंड, मंथली मैगजीन ऑफ एसपीडी. फॉर मैथमेटिक्स, नोट्स ऑफ एनी टीचर लाइक राकेश यादव सर, गगन प्रताप सर, अभिनय शर्मा सर, साहिल खंडलवाल सर, अर्थमेटिक एज वेल एज एडवांस. And for practice of questions of mathematics, you may buy with competition time RRB mathematics. Now for reasoning, notes of any teacher like Piyush Varshney sir, Arun Kumar sir. And for practice of questions of reasoning, you may buy with competition time RRB reasoning. For general science, GS special notes of career bill app. And second, books of NCRT from class 6 to 10 of science. For history, GS special notes of Abhishek Suman sir. For geography, GS special notes of Vivek Yadav sir. Second, Census of India. From Census of India, 1 to 2 questions were asked in each shift. For polity, GS special notes of Abhishek Suman sir. For economy, GS special notes of Rashid sir. Second, budget and economic survey and 5-year plan. From these two topics, 1 to 2 questions were asked in each shift. For miscellaneous topic only, for Hindi medium students, listen general knowledge. And for those students who can understand both medium, they can buy Cron general knowledge. Cron general knowledge. For previous year paper of general knowledge, you may buy with competition time RIB general knowledge. And last, for mock and test series for Hindi medium students platform publication. And those students who can understand both medium, they can use textbook app. And one important thing, I will provide a link of these books in description box. You may go through these links to buy these books. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching this video.